Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: a U.S. phone number that receives SMS, a recovery email, and a strong 12-plus character password. Once done, open Chrome Incognito or clear cookies to avoid geographic conflicts. This prevents Google from blocking registration. Navigate to Accounts. Google.com/sign up and enter your name and desired address. Make sure to choose a username that's available. If not, add numbers or a dot. This gets you past the immediate setup and to the phone. Now you handle phone verification. This is the crucial middle step. When prompted, set country to United States +1 and type the US number exactly as provided by your service. You should request an SMS code. Google typically sends a 6-digit code within seconds. If you don't receive it, wait a minute, then request again or switch providers. Some VoIP vendors are blocked. Make sure the number isn't already tied to another account, and keep the verification window active while you watch for the code. Finish by inputting the 6-digit SMS code, completing DOB and recovery fields, and accepting Google's terms. Once created, sign in and immediately enable two-step verification to protect the account. You can add the US number or an authenticator app. If Google blocks registration, don't panic. Try a different US IP via a reputable VPN with a US exit, or obtain a new US number from another provider. One key tip: if verification keeps failing, pause, clear cookies, and retry with a fresh number and IP.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.